Hey guys, Ajay here back with another video, and this time I'm going to show you how to make your MiPad triple boot. So I'm going to show you how to install the two custom ROMs in your MiPad along with MIUI. So those who want to see the review and the quick look over the two custom ROMs, you can check out my last video. The link was in the description. So for doing this, you need 6 files. Yeah, 6 files. The 2 files are the TWRP recovery, and the 4 files are the custom ROMs and the G apps for it. So I'll show you the files. Okay, so there's the TWRP recovery over here. You can see the 2 files. Then we need to download the Remix OS, the 2 files, the OS file and a GApps of it. Then we'll go with Cyanogen Mode 11. These are the 2 files. It's better to make a folder and assign them, because if you're doing into the recovery mode, it'll become complicated for you to understand which GApps is for which one. So let's get started. So first go into your Updater app. Here you can see the Updater app. You can see on the right corner there a button. Just click over it here like this, and then go to select update package, because we need to install the TWRP ROM in our MiPad so that it will work on TW recovery. So go on the TW recovery folder what we made. Here you can see. Now select the zip file TWRP multi-ROM over here. Now select OK. It will take some time. Okay, so it's been completed. Now click on reboot now option. The reboot now option. It'll take some time, and the two ROMs are really good. If you got bored with MIUI, you can try these ROMs, and when you felt that the simple ROM is better, or maybe the Cyanogen or Remix ROM is better, I'll show you in the next video how to install a single ROM in your MiPad. Okay guys, we are back after a single reboot. Now as you can see, this is our MIUI. Now switch it off by this, power off. Okay, so now press the volume up button and power button, hold them together. Volume up and power. There we go. Now you can see we are in TWRP recovery. Now go to install the first option, because we need to install the multi-ROM option through which we can install the multi-ROMs in our MiPad. So again go to TWRP folder. TWRP folder. Okay. It's in my SD card. Here you can see TWRP folder. Now select the file multirom.zip. I'm again repeating, select the file multirom.zip. Flash it. It'll take a bit time, no problem. Okay. Now go to back option. Don't go with reboot system. Go with back option. Again back. Now as you can see, we are in the main menu. Go to advanced section. The advanced section, the multi-ROM section, the last option, multi-ROM. Now click on add ROM, the first option, add ROM. Now click on internal memory. We are going to install our multi-ROM in our internal memory, so click on next. Now select the zip file. Here we go. Now navigate it to our zip file, which is Cyanogen Mode 11. Select the Cyanogen Mode 11.zip. Swipe to confirm. It will take some time, no problem. And one more thing, you can see right now here my battery is 53%, but I'll prefer you to go with 80% at least, So now don't go with reboot system again. Press back, then again back. Then now go to list rooms. The second option, list room in multi-room. Click over it. Now select clockwork mode 11. Click over it. Now choose the option remove boot image. It is an important option. We have to do this step. Please remove boot.image file. Swipe to confirm. Okay, so it was successful. Back. Now again choose the clockwork mode 11 image. Back. After doing back, we are there. Select it. Now we need to flash the G apps in it. So click on the button flash zip. Now select as we are on the same folder clockwork mode 11, select the G apps kk2014.zip. Select it. Now again swipe. Okay, so we have successfully installed the CyanogenView 11 in our MePad. Now we are going to install Remix OS. So now again go back and go to multi-room.zip. I'll show you from the main menu. So here go to advanced, then multi-room, then add room. You know already, I guess. So now click on next. Now zip file. Now go back. So throw this way. Go up level. Now go to the folder Remix OS. Now select the Remix OS zip. Swipe to confirm. So we have successfully installed the ROM. Now again go back. Again back. Now go to list ROM. Select Remix OS. Again remove the boot image. Swipe. It's removed. Now go back. Again select Remix OS. Now select the flash zip option. I'm saying flash zip option. We need to install the GApps again. Select the file GApps kk2015 minimal edition. There's a different GApp file for Remix OS. Please note it down. Swipe to confirm. Okay guys, so we have installed it successfully. Now go back. You need to go into the main menu. Okay, so right now we are here. Now click on reboot system. The first option. I'll skip that section to reboot menu. For MePad, you will see a pop-up which shows a 5-second skippable time. So click on cancel. Then you can see right here that we are having the 3 OSs. I'm going to show you the 2 OS. I'm not going to show you the whole OS concept because I already made a video over it. You can watch out that video. So double click over it. Okay guys, like this Remix OS will also reboot it in your phone. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please press the thumbs up and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.